Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add CapCut animation effect. So here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project as well. And we're going to practice how we can add CapCut animation effect to this video. So the first thing we can do is we can click on the video right here, or we can also click on edit button. And for me, I'm just going to click on edit button. Then we're going to click on animation option right here. So just click on that animation option. Then there will be three options or three categories for you. There is in, out, and combo. And for me, I'm gonna go with combo. Then just select the animation that's suitable for your video. And for example, I'm just going to select this bounce too. So just tap on the animation, then we can adjust the duration. We can go left or go right like this, and after we're done, we just need to click on the check mark button. And now let's just take a look at the results, guys. So just play the video. Alright, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can add CapCut animation effect. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.